What does a hearing test look like for kids? Our son has not been responsive to sound recently, so we wanted to find out if he has hearing loss. We found Soundlife on Google and they have a lot of good reviews, so we decided to bring our kid here. After consulting with the audiologist, we were recommended to go with the CPA test, which is a behavioral hearing test where kids get to play with toys and listening games. So here's how they do it. Looks fun. Hearing test sounds very scary for kids, but not here at Soundlife. 10 over 10 recommend for you parents out here.